Alright, go.
That was good. Let's see.
Okay, you do it again. You got 3 minutes.
Alright, here we go. That wasn't good either.
Alright, Caroline, go. It's thundering. What was that?
I gotta retry.
Alright, go. I want to do it too.
Y'all can do it.
Yeah, Kendall.
I can't do it.
Yeah, you can. Just throw yourself. That's pretty far. Here, go me. Do me. Alright, go you.
Go, Wendy. Go, Wendy.
Okay.
Wendy, your butt was like...
No, shut up. Shut up. You want to do it again?
Yeah. Turn! Alright, we now have to like grab the camera and like go in a circle. So like you get ready to go do it.
Caroline doesn't go.
I think my shoulder's gonna come out. First my shoulder.
Okay, ready? How come I always ask that?
Woo! Alright, Carrie, you just have to take it.
Okay, that's it.